I'm gonna go check my whole locker.
Okay. This is the elevator at POB Middle. Finally get to ride this thing. I'm not a student, so. It's a swing door elevator. Same modernizer as. Nice. This is interesting. It's a nice elevator, but just padded. Same floor paths. This is the same exact modernizer as the high school. Oh boy. All right, listen to the motor. Don't know who, this is probably a Seaberg, just like every other elevator on this district. Here's your indicator. Lantern. Yeah, I'm convinced this was modded around the same exact time as the high school was. This is basically a twin. Door close does not work until you press the button. Wait, let's see how long it takes for the door to close. And a couple second delay. That's a nice motor. Alright, I want to try something here. Yep, it's got a safety. And there it goes. And we'll watch it leave. Look, it's got the same exact sign. No inner window. Yeah, I'm convinced this is done around the same time. There's your call button. And there's an Ethan. That's it.